Hey guys, what's up? Big Liver Dude 707 here. This is going to be system test 2 of my PFC-6006 by Potter. I'm using a Wheelock 7002T horn strobe here. However, I'm going to find out, there should be a trouble coming up because I just powered up the panel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it off. And remember, only pull fire alarms for when there's a real emergency though, but this is in a controlled environment. Oh. Trouble 1. 101. Oh crap. Built-in blow about 3 troubles now. Now I'm going to set this baby off, so this is going to be loud. Here we go, and it's going to be set to march. Go 3, 2, 1. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? There we go. Signal silence. Acknowledge. I don't know if you can acknowledge it because there's some glitches on this panel. I'm going to reset the pull station. Let me set the camera down. It's hard to reset with one hand because this seems a bit of a pain sometimes open and close. There we go. Well, that's my other panel, my Summit SFC 105. It does not work at all because it just makes the panel restart. But it seems here it works. That's good. So yeah, let's do signal acknowledge. Hold down that button and reset. System resetting. We have 3 troubles. It's the dialer. It says built-in power supply out, but it's not something wrong with that. It says low battery. For like the dialer outputs, line 2 fault. 2 out of 3 line 1 fault. And low battery, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.